I've got my Ohana beach box in a bag. So if you want to see what's inside, stay tuned. Hi and welcome to our channel. My name is Tracy. Bandit's sitting next to me. He's just caused quite a bit of a mess.
Yeah, he did.
And Chloe is generously picking it up for me. But if you're new, welcome. Thanks for stopping by. And if you're returning, thank you so much for being a part of our YouTube family. So this used to be the Niantic Ohana Jewelry Club, and it has changed to the Ohana Beach Club. Usually it's in a box. I'm guessing that they have a towel or some sort of larger item that didn't fit well in the box. Hence the reason it's in a bag this month. Here is the package with other goods inside. This is a towel in a bag. This is by LIB New York. The towel is inside, and it is one of those microfiber type towels, but I do like that it's in a bag like this. I think that's really cute and easy to carry if you are going to be going to the beach. Next is a little tag to go on your luggage if you're traveling. By Vitamasks are some green caffeine bright eye hydrogel pads. This goes over how to fold your towel to get it back in there properly. And the theme is neon palms. And there are 2 pieces of jewelry again this month. Last month there was only 1. We have these gorgeous earrings. Look at how beautiful those are. These are a clay. And then this is a gemstone. It says Monstera necklace. So there that is. Very, very pretty. Okay, that is my Niantic Ohana Beach Club bag. I think it was really good this month. I think having that towel in a bag was a really kind of smart idea, making it kind of easier to beach, if you would. I know Chloe's going to be going to camp, so I think that's an easy thing for her to kind of grab and bring with her. And it also makes a nice kind of thing to sit on the boat, because she will be on boat all the time. So you just got yourself a towel in a bag. Thank you so much for spending a little time with us. Please consider hitting that like, subscribe, and notification bell, and hopefully we'll see you soon.